Okay, the last pair I'm looking at this morning, the 17th of February 2011, is the US dollar against Japanese yen. Here we're going to have it on the 6 time frame. I'll start looking at the daily time frame first to get an indication of trend direction and support and resistance. And you'll notice that the pair has been making headway to the upside. The US dollar has gained a lot of strength against the Japanese yen in as many weeks, and it has broken above previous resistance levels. In particular, this one just recently at 83, if I'm not mistaken. If I can just zoom in a bit more, you might be able to get at 83.31 ish. Okay, and what we're seeing is the pair pulling back after this extension. So what we're seeing is a breakout, pullback, continuation. This has been met here around about the 8400 mark. You can see we've had prior support and resistance in this area, very messy previously. You can see we topped out between 84 123 ish. So there seems to be a bit of a resistance cap at the top of here, and we managed to see yesterday's trading finishing on a spinning top. Ideally, we want to see a spinning top as an indecision candle, so likely is that we want to see a decision candle to confirm price direction. So if you're trading the longer time frames, then obviously you want to see a directional candle forming to give us an indication of what likely to occur for this pair. Indecision, decision, and then we act on it. Okay, so if it pulls back, if it keeps falling, because you've seen the Asian market and the European session open this morning fall lower than the close of yesterday, then we should be looking at either this level here at 83.10, 20, 30 as your first target, because we've been there before, and there seems to be a lot of resistance in this area of support. Okay, time frame. This template is telling me I should be looking long positions, so ideally I want to be getting into this trade either the break of this high at 8400, but there's too much noise in this, or look for an opportunity if we see a support level 83.30 for an upside movement intraday. So we'll have a look at our intraday charts. Let's have a look at the hourly time frame, for example. You can see the pair topped out just below the 8400 mark, and sure enough, we had price revert back during the latter parts of the US session yesterday, and then going into the Asian market we saw lower lows. Okay, so you can see the momentum is still to the downside. Swing lows still continuing. Price is testing a support area as we speak. Previous resistance, new support. So be aware of that. Okay. So ideally, what we want to do is see a close lower than that, preferably below the 83.40 mark, 45 mark, to definitely confirm further downside movement for this. The time frame for this one is telling us we should be looking for shorting opportunities. We want to see a definite close lower to confirm trend direction. We don't want to be caught in a fake out. So ideally we'll look for that breakout, and then we'll start looking at potential targets around about the 83.15 to 83.20 mark. Okay, for the first set, and the second one will be roughly around where the 200 period moving average is now, which will probably be this little break over here at 83.10. So we have two confirmed target areas to the downside. If it stays above 83.50 though, then expect to look at the previous high at 8400 as our first initial target. Hey guys, that's it for the US dollar against Japanese yen. I'll be back again tomorrow morning, nice and bright and early, for the next lot. Enjoy your trading day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Take care.